Welcome to Review Rumble. The best heated pipe wrap is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to protect their plumbing from the harsh realities of winter, ensuring that your water keeps flowing freely and preventing costly damage that can arise from frozen pipes, making it a crucial investment for peace of mind during the coldest months. Number 5. Frost King HC30A Automatic Electric Heat Kit. Introducing the Frost King HC30A Automatic Electric Heat Kit, a reliable solution for preventing frozen pipes. This 30-foot black cable is designed for both metal and plastic residential water pipes. Never worry about frozen pipes again. It effectively keeps water flowing even in extreme temperatures, down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat kit is specifically designed for use on 2-inch metal and plastic water pipes. Its versatility ensures it fits a wide range of residential plumbing needs. Installation is a breeze. You can easily set it up yourself without the need for professional help, saving you time and effort. Operating on 120V, it provides efficient heating with 7 watts per foot. This ensures your pipes stay protected without consuming excessive energy. What we like. This option is perfect for longer runs of pipe. If you have a 30-foot section of metal or plastic pipe that needs protection, this is a straightforward choice. Its ease of installation means you can get it up and running quickly, even if you're not a plumbing expert. What people say. The wrap is easy to install and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevents pipes from freezing, even in very cold temperatures. The adjustable thermostat allows for precise temperature control. Number 4. Frost King HC3A Automatic Electric Heat Kit. Introducing the Frost King HC3A Automatic Electric Heat Kit. This 3-foot heating cable is designed to keep your water flowing, even in extreme cold. With a powerful 120V and 7 WFT rating, it can prevent freezing down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Say goodbye to frozen pipes this winter. It's suitable for use on both metal and plastic water pipes. This ensures broad compatibility for your home or business. Installation is straightforward and can be done by anyone. You'll have peace of mind in no time. Trust this durable heating cable to provide reliable protection against freezing. Keep your water systems operational all year round. What we like. For very short pipe sections or specific problem areas, this compact option is ideal. If you're only looking to protect a small, critical section of pipe, like a single faucet connection or a short exposed run, its shorter length makes it efficient and cost-effective. What people say. The wrap is easy to install and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevents pipes from freezing, even in very cold temperatures. The adjustable thermostat allows for precise temperature control. Number 3. HEATIT 80 feet self-regulating pipe heat tape. Ensure your peace of mind with our ETL-certified heating cable. It guarantees exceptional performance and reliability, meeting rigorous industry standards for your safety. Safeguard your pipes from freezing even in extreme temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Its energy-efficient design helps maintain water flow and reduce electricity costs. This versatile heating cable is compatible with various pipe materials, including metal and plastic. It provides reliable freeze protection for copper, PVC, and stainless steel pipes. Experience advanced self-regulating technology that automatically adjusts heating power based on ambient conditions. It ensures efficient operation without overheating. The built-in thermostat activates at 3 degrees Celsius and deactivates at 10 degrees Celsius, regulating power output only when necessary. Enjoy optimal energy efficiency and protection from freezing. Backed by up to $2 million in product liability insurance, you can purchase with confidence. We prioritize your security and satisfaction with our reliable freeze protection solution. What we like. Safety and intelligent operation are paramount with this choice. If you prioritize certified safety standards and want a system that automatically adjusts its heating based on temperature, this is the one. It's excellent for those who want peace of mind and energy efficiency without constant monitoring. What people say. The wrap is easy to install and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevented my pipes from freezing during a cold snap. The adjustable thermostat allows for precise temperature control. Number 2. MAXKOSKO 30 feet, pipe freeze protection heating cable. Introducing our advanced heating cable, designed to keep your pipes flowing even in extreme cold. It maintains water flow down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your water supply remains uninterrupted. Experience intelligent heating technology that automatically adjusts its output. It provides warmth only when needed, preventing overheating and saving energy. This self-regulating cable features a built-in thermostat. It activates at 38 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it heats only when necessary and conserves energy. Get started in minutes with our pre-assembled heating cable. Installation is a breeze with our simple 4-step guide, allowing you to protect your pipes with ease. Suitable for both metal and plastic pipes, it offers reliable protection for various applications. Keep your water supply safe from freezing, regardless of pipe material. Built to last, this heating cable is not perishable and will not expire. It provides long-term freeze protection for pipes up to 2 inches in diameter. What we like. This is a smart, energy-conscious solution for comprehensive pipe protection. If you're looking for a heating cable that automatically manages its power consumption and works on both metal and plastic pipes, this is a great fit. It's ideal for homeowners who want reliable freeze protection while keeping electricity bills down. What people say. The heating element is evenly distributed, providing consistent warmth along the entire pipe. Easy to install, simply wrap around the pipe and secure with the adhesive backing. The thermostat automatically adjusts the temperature, preventing overheating and saving energy. Number 1. HEATIT JHSF1 Self-Regulating Heating Cable. Introducing the HEATIT JHSF1, your ultimate solution for preventing pipe freezing and roof ice dams. This self-regulating heating cable provides automatic winter freeze protection, ensuring peace of mind. Safety is paramount. Our heating cable is ETL certified, meeting rigorous North American standards for exceptional performance and reliability. The plug is also UL certified for your added security. This industrial-grade cable is suitable for various pipe types, including plastic and metal. Its self-regulating feature adjusts output based on ambient temperature, eliminating overheating risks and ensuring maximum safety. Designed to prevent ice dams, it works effectively on a wide range of roof types. For best results, activate it at the start of snowfall to maintain clear roofs and gutters. Enjoy instant hot water without the wait. By wrapping it around your hot water lines, it maintains water temperature, significantly reducing water waste and energy consumption. It can be installed straight, spirally, or overlapped, offering flexibility for different applications. It protects pipes up to 212 inches in diameter, with insulation recommendations for extreme cold. What we like. For extensive protection needs, including both pipes and roofs, this is the ultimate solution. If you have a large property, need to prevent ice dams on your roof, or want to ensure instant hot water at your fixtures, this long-reach cable offers unparalleled versatility and coverage. What people say. The wrap is easy to install and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevents pipes from freezing, even in very cold temperatures. The adjustable thermostat allows for precise temperature control. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.